In this video, you will learn how to install and use TeamViewer step by step to remotely access another computer from anywhere. TeamViewer is one of the most popular remote desktop tools used for technical support, online meetings, file sharing, and remote work. We will cover how to download and install TeamViewer, how to install to another PC using TeamViewer ID and password, how to control a remote computer, how to transfer files securely, basic security and safety tips. This tutorial is perfect for beginner, student, IT learner, and anyone who want to access a remote PC easily. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video tips and tech tutorials. So let's start. Step 1, download and install. Download and install TeamViewer. Open the browser and go to the official TeamViewer website. Click on the free downloads. Download TeamViewer for your operating system Windows or Mac or Linux. Click on the download. Now download is completed. Install it like any normal software. So click on it. Select accept and next. Click on yes. After installation, open the TeamViewer. You will see two important things on the main screen. This one. So sign in into the TeamViewer software with your email ID and password. Your you will see two important things on the main screen: your ID and your password. These are used to connect with another computer. Step 3, connect to another PC. Ask the other person for their TeamViewer ID. Just like this 323 163 086, and then click on the connect. Enter their password. After that, enter their password. Click on log on. Now you can see, now you can fully control their computer. Step 4, allow someone to access your PC. If you want to connect your PC, share your ID and password with them. When they connect, click on the allow. They will now able to control your screen. Basic TeamViewer features is that remote control, use keyboard and mouse, file transfer, chat and voice, sharing, multi-monitor support, session recordings. There is all these features in this basic TeamViewer. Step 6, step and unattended access option is also there, where you can useful if you want to access your PC anytime. Go to the setting security and set it as a password and sign in with a TeamViewer account. Assign the device to your account. Now you can connect even when no one is present. And the session, close this, click cross, close when the finish. Safety tips is there, only share ID and password with trusted people. Use strong password, personal password. Enable two-factor authentication. Close TeamViewer when not in use. Common is uses is remote technical support, access office PC from home, online training, file transfer, system troubleshooting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tech tutorials. Thank you so much.